A Snidbit is a little bit of something. Why Snidbits, you ask? Because the internet is a scary place. And we help you hide from it. I'm Yeti, and here's today's Snidbits. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is the new camera drone from DJI Technologies. Started in 2020, DJI or Dajang Innovations is a Chinese company that specializes in remote control camera drones and have a yearly revenue of 1.8 million. They're a part of the larger DJI Technologies in China, which is rumored to be worth nearly $1 billion. DJI comprises nearly 70% of the domestic camera drone market. The DJI Mini 3 is priced at $759 and will be available in August. It boasts a 4K camera, 34 minutes of flight time, and an intelligence collision avoidance system. It has a weight of 249 grams. Why so specific, you ask? Because in most countries, drones over 250 grams need a special license to fly. See? Laws do work. The reviews so far. Well, with 70% of the market cornered, the reviews don't really matter. MudWtr is a coffee substitute made of a variety of mushrooms with low caffeine content. Started in 2017, MudWtr, which is their business name, has $65,000 in revenue, which I'm guessing they're using mostly for advertising.
Friends would walk up to me and just be like, what the f is in your mug?
MudWtr starts at $40, on sale of course. There is a subscription service because why not? Just don't send me any CDs in the mail, please. The reviews average 3 stars on Amazon, 2 stars on the Better Business Bureau website, but the reviews on the MudWtr website average 4.4 stars. Most positive reviews state, pretty great. It's great, but it's not coffee. And my favorite, you can make it drinkable. Most common negative reviews state, I'm not supporting obscenity. What obscenities are they talking about, you ask? Probably this one.
What the f is in your mug?
Other negative reviews, tastes bad, flavor and textures are terrible, and my favorite, tastes like hot garbage. Yummy. So can ground up mushrooms replace coffee? The signs right now point to no. And now the internet's favorite chest dumbbell workouts.
So coming up, bringing the dumbbells down, right beside you, and back up. Like so.